sidewalk on its side.
Is this an
Mary,
old?
try.
I have these gloves.
Oh, you have
Somebody
I think it's just where he lives now.
and me.
Down in here?
If it's a pepper, don't let it out because it will.
You think it's a pepper?
If it's a finch and it's a pepper,
Well, I'll call the SPCA, but I'm so glad it can fly. I mean, you have no idea. People were like about to step on this bird.
The question is, if you reach up to grab it, is it going to bite you?
I'm not going to reach up to grab it.
He just flew.
I wonder if he was hit by a car.
I don't know. No, it was like, it was like there was construction on the sidewalk, like guys with those right here. And so it was very narrow. So we were walking. It's right by Grand Central. Came with me. That's the only reason he came here because I thought he was almost. He was like lying on his side, and I think he fell from a building. Oh!
You're trying to grab him, sweetie.
Let him sit for a moment.
Yeah, he is extremely friendly. Let's see if he liked you. He liked you.
The thing is, I have paddle.
It's right there. Hi, sweetie. You let me pick you up before.
Man, I want to scare him. That.
It's a bird.
What is it?
Wish I had a camera. Thank you.
What kind of bird is it?
It's a little bird. Oh, nice job.
Oh, it's a beautiful bird, isn't it?
It is. Beautiful bird. And I'm so
Don't
glad.
suffocate him.
No.
No, he's all right.
Don't suffocate him.
We'll put him in here and let him out.